Import all of your layers and make sure you have 5 beats in total on your project. The full transition is 2 seconds long. First, start by framing 3 of your pictures inside of this film strip. Use Edit Shape on your picture to make it fit more if it doesn't fit with the ratio given. Now, add a rectangle. Click Edit Shape and edit it so that it fits the film strip. Now select the rectangle with the other 4 layers and make sure that the rectangle's duration matches. And click on the middle grouping option at the top. Hide your layers. Keep these 2. Go to the layer on the top and click Move and Transform. Add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. On the first keyframe, move your layer to the right side completely until it's just out of frame and it snaps. Now add the scrap. The more you pull the knobs in the middle, the smoother it will be, and slower. This makes it more snappy. Click on the 3 dots and copy the curve of your liking. Go to the layer on the bottom and add position keyframes in the same places. This time, on the second keyframe, move your layer out of frame on the left side. Paste the curve in between the keyframes. Add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots at the top and click Stretch to Composition Area. Make sure the duration is the same one more time. And now group the 3 layers using the middle option at the top. Now adjust your layer positions just like shown in the video. Add one more layer for the full background and move it all the way to the bottom. unhide one of your layers. Now unhide another layer. This time, click on the plus icon and click Vector Drawing. And outline your layer. Click on the shape, and also click on the photo, and click the middle grouping option at the top. Add another vector drawing, and this time outline the mask. This will be our paper outline. Make sure the color is white and move it underneath the mask. Select the two layers and group them. Now start unhiding all of the other layers and set them up. Now go to the second beat of the project, and on the PNGs on the left side, near this picture, add move and end rotation keyframes on beat 2 and beat 4. Add just the first keyframe only, and paste the curve in both properties. And as I mentioned before, only do this for the PNGs near the first picture on the left side. Copy the same process, but just change stuff up. For example, the position and rotation of the first keyframe. Or you can only add position. Do the same thing for the headphones. Now go to beat 3. Add position and rotation keys there and at the end of the project. And add just the position and the rotation of the layer on the first keyframe. Then paste the curves in between. Now copy the same process for all of the layers on the bottom right side. Now add a node layer at the start of the entire project. Click on the layer. Click on this button next to the rubbish bin and click Node 1. Copy the same process for all of the layers. Now go to the null, and instead of adding extra scale keyframes, we will use the Z property to zoom in and out of our layer. Add a position and rotation keyframe at the start of the null, and zoom in and adjust so that this group fits the frame perfectly. Now add rotation and position keyframes on beat 3. And adjust. Don't forget to paste the curves in both properties. Go to beat 2, which should be in between, exactly in the middle of the two keyframes, and add another node. Now connect node 1 to node 2 using the same button next to the rubbish bin. On node 2, add position and rotation keyframes at the start and beat 4. Do not adjust anything on the first keyframe, and on the second keyframe, move your layer down and maybe zoom it in and rotate it. Customize it to your liking. Don't forget to paste the curves in between. Lastly, add another node on beat 3, which again should be just in the middle of these two keyframes. Before doing anything, adjust the duration of the 3 knobs. Now connect knob 2 to knob 3. And add position and rotation keyframes at the start and end of node 3. Do not adjust anything on the first keyframe, and on the second one, adjust the position and rotation of your layers. And don't forget to paste the curves in between both properties. Lastly, add a rectangle at the start of the entire project and make sure the duration matches. Click on the 3 dots and click Stretch to Composition Area. Then group all the layers together using the middle option at the top. Now your layer is ready to add some effects.